This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute for Building Protection.
Today, for a change, we are at the beautiful office building of the mobile telephony giant A1 in Vienna's second district. Within the building's garages, specifically at the concrete slab joints, leaks have become visible on the ceilings. Prolonged rainfall due to its pressure caused the horizontal insulation to crack. This is a common problem in these types of garages. The hardest part here is restoring this insulation. The difficulty is very high as these joints are about half a meter deep. Reaching the damaged insulation and then effectively insulating it requires a considerable amount of effort. As you can observe in the video, this insulation has fractured in numerous areas. In order to access this specific location, we introduce our materials under high pressure. The very first step involves the application of the NCT crystal material, which functions as a critical adhesion layer for the subsequent NCT chem mortar. This mortar is then also meticulously applied under significant pressure in a series of multiple layers until it achieves nearly complete and thorough coverage of all these specific joints. The joints are hand plastered at the end to provide full insulation with a half-meter thickness. Often in this type of work, where pressurized water leaks from ceilings, it's frequently necessary to repair these areas multiple times. That is why after the completion of this particular works, it is absolutely necessary to plan. A thorough examination of everything after the subsequent rains is required, and if there are any localized problems, such as water leakages, then these must be repaired precisely, using here a pressure injection of the NCT crystal mineral material. In order to access the areas where the leaks were occurring, we were required to remove the wool insulation entirely, down to its full depth. After that, it was necessary to thoroughly saturate all of the surfaces with water to ensure that our NCT crystal material could easily adhere to them and establish a foundational bonding layer for all the subsequent NCT materials. Following the application of our materials, after approximately 2 days, this is how the ceiling will appear. As you can clearly see, it is dry and there are no longer any leaks present here. The material itself has now changed its color to a light gray. We are demonstrating here the problem and its highly effective solution, which is essentially relevant in almost every single garage. Sooner or later, whether on the ceilings or on the vertical walls, leaks will inevitably appear. For these types of services, we offer a guarantee of 10 to 30 years. We advise against using resins with traditional injection technology, as their effectiveness is estimated at only 3 to 5 years. We invite you to...
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.